face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Guys, actually I have two applications for you today. One is to do surveys, do tasks, download applications, watch ads or watch videos, and then at the end of the day you are going to get paid for doing those tasks. And the other one is absolutely free. You just do nothing, just connect your data and then start earning money from it without you doing anything. Don't download any apps, don't watch any videos or any ads. Connect your data and from it. So guys, with that being said, let's jump into the video. But before we jump into the video, make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you skip it, maybe you're going to miss an important step which may not allow you to make money with this video. So if you want to make money with this video, then watch it till the end. So guys, the first application is what is on my screen. The name is CASHPIRATE. Yes, CASHPIRATE. As you can see here, make and earn money out of it. It has 4.4 stars out of 5, which is really cool. And then it's already having 91k reviews, and it has it is already downloaded by 1 million plus people. So you can see that a lot of people are using this application to earn money online. So this is CASHPIRATE. I'll leave the links under the description, so make sure you check them out and then it directs you to the right place. So guys, we are going to look at some of the reviews. Let me click on this one. Yes, this one says it's good to use this app and you can get an extra income. Nice app, very good. And this one says it is nice to use, it has easy money making options. That's cool. I really recommend and rate this app in making quick cash because I find it easier. It's not complex. Great app for making some extra cash and easy to use. That's good. Nice, good application. So much I like blah blah blah. Best app ever, easy to use. I love it. You can make real money. This app is really great for making some extra bucks. I think it's great app, hoping to cash out. This app pays. Try it and thank me. Wow, I love this specific comment. This app pays. Try it and thank me. So guys, this one has no doubt. Make sure you check them out. As I said, I will leave the links under the description, so make sure you check them out. Let's go to their website and then learn more about CASHPIRATE. So this is the CASHPIRATE website, as you can see here. Let me try and zoom it small. Yes, earn money and gift cards, get rewarded for trying free apps, completing surveys and watching videos. As I said, the good news is that it is available in both iOS devices and then and then Android devices. So get rewarded. Once you have collected enough pirate coins, you can swap for rewards. We got all the rewards you ever wanted, like Amazon, iTunes, Steam or PayPal Cash. This is really amazing. This is amazing. They have Bitcoin as payment method. They have Steam, they have Walmart, they have Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, Xbox, Hulu Plus, and then PayPal. This is really amazing. I've never seen something like this before. This is great. And then how it works. The first step is that you download and register this application. Download CASHPIRATE for Android or iOS and sign up. And the second one, it says that collect coins. Try free apps, watch videos or complete surveys. You will get coins for every completed task. And the third option says that get rewarded. That is the finally redeem gift cards or cash by swapping your coins. And then the fourth one also says that refer your friends. This is the best part. This is the best referral program that I've ever seen. You earn coins whilst you are asleep. Yes, whilst you are asleep. So refer your friends and you will get 10% of all their earnings, as well as 5% of all the friends your friends referred. Woohoo! So guys, this is really great. I used to see this in P2P websites, but this is really great. So all you got to do is that you refer your friends, your loved ones to this website or applications, and then you earn 10% of their earnings. And the moment they also refer, you are going to earn from their referrals as well. That is how should I say it, is it spill over or something like that? You are going to earn from your child referrals or something like that. So this is really great. CASHPIRATE is really great. They have the best referral program, and then it is really cool. So guys, this is CASHPIRATE. Make sure you check under the description for the link so that it directs you to the right place. Just get rewarded for trying free apps, completing surveys, and watching videos. So guys, we are back. We are about to jump into the second app, which pays you actually to do nothing. Yes, it pays you to do nothing. So if you haven't subscribed yet, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with. Videos like this concerning making money and then learning online as well. So we are about to jump into the second app, which is cash magnets. Yes, cash magnets. Cash cash magnets. Yes, we have the largest payments because cash magnets unites all the best reward programs in one place. Guys, I'm sorry, this application is only available for the Android devices. So actually, this is cash magnet. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolute autonomous and passive mode. As I said, you earn money as this baby, beautiful baby, is sleeping here, and the money also falls like this. You see the way the money is falling. Look. That is amazing. Cash magnet is really amazing. So guys, make sure you check them out. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with cash magnet and you can buy another phone. This is the best part. This is the best part. Work with them for only 2 months and you are going to get yourself a new phone. And guys, this is a hack. Yes, I should put it as a hack. The moment you reach, or the moment you have enough money from cash magnet, you can buy yourself some new phones and then you connect those phones into this app. Yes, you can connect about plenty phones to one account, and then your earnings, or that will boost your earnings, because the more connected devices, the more earnings you get. So guys, when you get more money out of this application, you can buy yourself new phones and then you connect it to this same application with one account, and then you can accumulate or boost your earnings. This is a hack. So guys, make sure you do that. So as I said, prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with cash magnet and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. Yeah. These are the phones. You see, this lady has please, I will not say it louder. This lady has 2 phones. You see, she has connected them, and then look at the way she is earning. Wow, look at the money is flowing. Wow. So guys, make sure you check them out, and then it is absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in anyway. They also have a bunch of payment methods. As you can see here, they have PayPal, Amazon, Play Store, iTunes, PlayStation, and even Xbox. So earn money using your phone for doing nothing, absolutely passive income. So what is Cash Magnet? You can come here and learn more about them. Cash Magnet, it is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income whilst you are not using the phone. Yes, you just do nothing and then you earn money out of that. It is free to use. Cash Magnet is completely free to use and always free. Which operating system support. For now, Cash Magnet is only available for Android phones with version 4.2 version and later. Are there any additional requirements? You can read more about them. How can I redeem my points? You can redeem your points at any time for PayPal, Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, Steam, gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the reward page. And what is the minimum payout? The minimum payout is going to blow up your mind. Yes, the minimum payout goes for $1. So the moment you reach $1, you can just go in there and then cash out your money into your PayPal account. I mean your preferred payment option. So guys, you can come here yourself and then read more about Cash Magnet. They have a lot of a bunch of FAQ questions and answers or something like that. So you can come in here and then talk or read more about them. So guys, this is the two apps that I have for you. I want to make this video short. These are the two apps that I have for you. The first one I talked about was CASHPIRATE, which makes you money just to try free apps, completing surveys, and then watching videos. This one is cool. It is really cool, and they have a bunch of payment options or methods: Bitcoin, PayPal, Amazon, and a lot of more payment options. This application is really legit, so make sure you check it out and then you start using it. As I said, I will leave the links under the description. And then the second one that we looked at was also Cash Magnet, which makes you money just to do nothing. Yes, absolutely nothing. You just connect your phone to the internet, leave it, and then start making money. This is how you're going to earn. So guys, I think I would have to end here. If you love this video, if this video interests you, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Like this video. If I see likes or thumbs up in my video, it gives me motivation to do researches and bring you results like this. Yes, the moment I see thumbs up or likes, wow, people are loving my video, people are liking my video. So I do more researches and bring you results. And those who are already subscribers, please make sure you share my videos to your friends and family so that the views becomes more, so that the encouragement also come. If I get more views, more thumbs up, more likes, more comments, I would be uploading daily. I will be doing researches and uploading content every day. So please make sure you try your best to share this video to your loved ones. Ask them to subscribe and then watch my videos as well. And then if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, please don't go away. This is what I do every day or every week. I upload content or videos on how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are interested in that, then this place is actually for you. Make sure you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. I'll say it again, my name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. Hope to see you next time in the next video.